Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage V3 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you can then press the back button right here to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the general settings option and tap on it. Now scroll down and find the display brightness. And once you find it, tap on it. And here we have 3 levels of brightness. We have low, medium and maximum. Or high rather, my bad. Select the one you like by tapping on it, and it will be applied. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.